Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a new video, very fast I think, because I don't have a lot of products to show you, but my favorites of April. I know it's already the middle of May, but in case you haven't seen my previous video or you haven't followed me on social media, I hurt my elbow, I had stitches, I couldn't bend my arm, so it was very hard for me to shoot some videos, but now I'm back. I have 3 products to show you that had been my favorites the past month and I've used the most. I'm gonna start by talking about these jeans that I bought myself last month. I love them. I had a pair that were black and they were so comfortable that I had to buy another pair, and these are so cute because they have some embroidered roses on the bottom and I really love them. I don't wear them every day because I cannot wear them in the bakery, but I wear them every time I go out. They're super comfortable. I think they look amazing on me. I mean, I'm very modest. The brand is Levi's and the model is 300 Shaping Skinny. I had the black and the jeans. They all fit the same. They're very comfortable. And the color that I'm wearing now, it's called Indigo Oasis, but I'm gonna obviously link everything in the box below. I mean, if you're looking for something like this, I cannot recommend them enough. They're like amazing. The last 2 products, I know this month I don't have a lot. We're gonna move in a few weeks, so I'm trying to plan everything. I didn't have time to try new products, but the next 2 products that I want to show you that I used so much last month are makeup. If you follow me, you know I don't wear makeup a lot. I would say very rarely, so I always wear the same things. But now I have 2 new entries in my makeup bag and I love them. The first one I want to talk to you about is this eyeliner. That's what I usually always wear. You probably saw in my video, I wear eyeliner, some mascara and a little lipstick. This eyeliner is so easy to use. The brand is SOAP&GLORY and it's called SUPERCAT Skinny. It's very easy to use. I'm definitely not good with makeup, so if I can use it, everybody can use it. If you hear some noises, as always, it's my daughter Elizabeth here next to me. I think they have it in brown too, but this is the black, and they have one that's not skinny but has a thicker point, but it's really, I cannot say enough good things about it. And I saw someone recommend it on YouTube. That's how I found out about it, so I want to talk about this product too, so maybe someone will follow my advice as well. Second product of makeup and third of my favorite of April is this lip treatment. The brand is HANALEI, I think that's how you pronounce it, and it's in red. You probably already saw this product in the unboxing of Marcia subscription box. That's where I got it, but I love it so much. I've been using it almost every day. I just use a little bit like if it was a lip balm, and it gives this really nice red shade to my lips. Is what I'm using right now. I really use a little bit. So for this month I only have these 3 favorites because I told you I've been very busy with the moving, but I can't wait to show you my new house, hopefully very soon. We'll have to do some work before, but you never know. So that's the end of the video, and as always, if you liked it, please leave a comment and a like, and if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!